Hi, my name is Peder Stokke, and in this module I will show you digital devices that are currently used in telemedicine. After going through this module, you will have gained an understanding of what can be used in telemedicine work and a little more about areas of application in healthcare work. In today's topic, we'll go through dedicated video devices designed for video calls, PCs, perhaps the most common form of use for video communication, tablets, devices that most people use, at least privately, smartphones, something everyone uses. Finally, specialized devices such as head-mounted tablets. We start with dedicated video solutions. Dedicated video solutions are designed to be used primarily for video calls. We can think of this as the video cousin of the landline phone. This is equipment that is well suited to almost any type of office. Dedicated devices, video devices, are mostly used, as mentioned, in offices, in such context, specialists, doctors, emergency room, and emergency departments. This is expensive equipment, so it must be used a lot to make it worthwhile to invest in such solutions. These devices have everything you need built in. The device has good microphones, good speakers, and noise reduction solution that allows it to be used in open plan offices. Although they can be used initially right out of the box, they can be used for more. They are also used as an additional PC screen, and in this context it is very easy to share information with those participating in the video meetings. It can be connected to external cameras that can be used for example, closer examination of the patient. Some of them can be adapted for use in rooms where disinfection or sterilization is a requirement. Larger similar solutions are available for use in meeting rooms. These utilize one or more monitors that are connected. The largest solution I have used had 4 90-inch screens, monitors connected at the same time with 4K resolution. This is for larger meetings where several disciplines of doctors, nurses, and other therapists are involved in diagnosing or planning the patient further treatment. The screens are usually used for X-ray images on one screen, X-ray records on the other, the patient's general records on the third, and on the fourth screen other shared information or images of the meeting's participants. The example here is from an emergency department where they can see a patient in an ambulance from multiple angles at the same time as they can see live data from the patient monitor. Such solutions are expensive and must be justified on the basis that they add value to patient care. PCs are used in all contexts in healthcare and are therefore often a favored solution in offices. Adding a little extra equipment to enable them to be used for video communication is often not very costly. Rarely it is costly as investing in dedicated video equipment. If you use a laptop in your office, you normally have everything you need. If the sound or image is not quite optimal, it doesn't cost much to buy extra equipment to optimize this. The beauty of a laptop is that you can take it with you and use it wherever you need to be. Typical use is in doctors' offices, especially in mental health services. In hospitals, emergency room and at GPs, they are traditionally set up with desktop PCs. These are basically not ready for use of video communication, as these PCs do not have a built-in camera or microphone and rarely have a good speaker. Therefore, these devices need some extra investment in a camera and perhaps a combined speaker and microphone. Both laptop and desktop PCs users can benefit from having headphones as an alternative to sound source and microphone, especially in rooms where multiple practitioners share space. And on PCs, as with dedicated video solutions, a variety of additional equipment can be connected. You may be able to connect more to a PC than a dedicated video unit, as it is one of the most standardized pieces of technology equipment on the market. Examples of equipment that can be connected are various scopes and cameras and so on. Tablets are a solution that is being used more and more in hospitals, nursing homes and home care services. And many ambulance services also use them for a variety of purposes. The tablets are often used for procedure lookups, record keeping, logistics, and application discussing the patient's condition, filming wounds, showing the doctors what the doctor is wondering about, etc. The challenge is that you must hold the tablet. So if you must work with a patient at the same time, you either have to get someone else to hold the tablet for you or put it down when the work is being done. At nursing homes or home care, the application is the same. Discussing the patient's condition, filming wounds, showing the doctor what the doctor is wondering about, etc. The challenge is the same, that you must hold the tablet. But there are many good stands that you can use to attach the tablet to while working with the patient, because you have time. Everyone has a smartphone today. Patients, relatives, and you as an employee. It has all the capabilities of a tablet and more. The biggest difference between a tablet and smartphone is in a video context is that the size of the screen it's smaller. It's okay to film the patient with a smartphone in hand, but it's not suitable for a paramedic to use a smartphone in a critical situations when he or she must perform tests on the patient. You can't hold a phone and do the tests at the same time. Someone else has to hold the smartphone for you, or you got to have a stand to put it in. and it's not so convenient for the person looking at the wound either. The screen can be too small in some situations. It can be difficult to see well enough to make a good decision. It is therefore important that those who will providing decision support lay a plan on which device to use before they start their service as a decision support through video. But for use in home care and nursing homes together with a stand, a smartphone can be as good as everything else. Several alternative specialized devices have been developed for video communication, among other things. Many of these were designed for use in other areas such as industry, but they are suitable for use in the healthcare sector as well. Here I will show you 3 different types of solutions: body cameras, smart glasses, and head-mounted tablets, or head cameras as they also are called. All of these have their advantages and disadvantages. Body cameras or body cam is a solution primarily developed for the security industry, such as cash-in-transit employees, but the police and now also some ambulance services have started using it. The solution is one way. The decision support system only receives audio and video from you. So you can neither hear nor see the person that are with you on video. You must use radio communication or a telephone to make it a two-way communication. This solution have originally been designed for documentation, i.e. recording what is being done and spoke, to safeguard both the person wearing it and legally in the event of questions after a patient treatment, if there are questions about malpractice. These are mounted on the chest and will sometimes not show an angle that makes it easy to assist from the decision support side. The nice thing is that as a paramedic you just switch it on and you don't have to do anything else about it. Smart glasses are a technology that makes it easy to connect a video call without having anything in your hands. There are several different versions on the market, but most are designed for the industry market. The challenge here is that you need to have something in front of your eyes. Not all of them work with vision correcting glasses, and for ambulance services these are not designed for use with a helmet. These are either wired to a cell phone or connected with through Wi-Fi. Head-mounted tablets, or head cameras as we also call them, are a type of smart glasses. They are attached to the head in such a way that if you wear glasses, it doesn't matter. There aren't many of these on the market, but one that are on the market can withstand both shock and can be washed. In the healthcare sector, we like robust solutions, things that can withstand being dropped on the floor and can be sterilized. The head camera you see here is voice controlled, which means that once you have switched it on and put it on your head, it can do everything you need it to do without doing anything other than giving it a voice command. They are connected through Wi-Fi. This makes it suitable for a variety of tasks. At the scene of an accident, at home with a patient in wound treatment, in the context of infection control, or during an operation to show live video to others outside the operating theater for teaching purposes. And this is how it can look like for you with such a device on your head. Now we have ended this module. I hope you got a good picture of what's out there of video communication tools. Thank you.